It's the last day of the year, and with the sunrise, it was minus 30 degrees Celsius over Calgary. But when you put in the wind chill, it was closer to minus 40. And the cool thing about minus 40 is it's the same in Celsius as it is in Fahrenheit. They're both damn cold. So cold, steam goes sideways. Most people know better to stay home when it gets like this, but there's also some really neat things that can be done in the super cold. And I'm going to show you a couple. There's nothing cooler than to watch bubbles freeze. Well, when it's the coldest day of the year and New Year's Eve, Most people don't want to be outside, but others like me find cool things to do with it. So, we're gonna try a hot water over your head trick. 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year! So here's Slim wishing you a warm and happy New Year. I hope you liked this video and please subscribe.